Hello, this is Bob Ranquist with an update on our Boca Rio Golf Course Renovation project. With a number of golf course renovation tasks being performed at the same time, it has been a very busy and productive week. This week, installation of the new irrigation system main line was completed from the right rough at number 7 to an area behind number 13 green. A branch of the main line going from behind the 10th green and down the left side of number 11 was connected to the main line at the same area behind number 13 green. Our irrigation contractor, Nut Construction, made excellent progress this week despite the challenge of excavating a significant number of large rocks during the trenching process. After the soil and rocks are removed, rocks are separated out and hauled to an out-of-the-way area for disposal. Clean soil that was removed from greens or bunkers is placed in the trench to keep the new pipe from coming into contact with any rocks on the bottom or sides of the trench. Soil placed back in the trench is thoroughly compacted to prevent settling and sinking of the soil in the trench. Installation of the new pump station was also completed this week. The pump station will be connected to the new irrigation system main line next week, and the pump station and the portion of the new main line out to number 12 green will be filled with water and tested. Installation of sprinklers around greens will begin after this testing is completed. Irrigation designer and consultant Dave Reagan began marking the exact locations for sprinklers on holes number 12, 13, 14, 7, and 11. He will continue over the next few weeks to mark the locations for all 1,500 sprinklers on the new irrigation system. Jim Nagel, golf course architect with Force and Design Associates, spent a full day marking bunker edge lines, cut and fill areas around greens, and determining the appropriate depth of new greens mix to be added back to greens where greens mix that was contaminated with excessive organic material was removed. Jim is using old Boca Rio bunker photographs to assure that bunker capes and noses are restored back to their original Robert von Hagge 1991 renovation design. Work on bunkers intensified this week as installation of drainage lines and the 2.5-inch gravel layer for the Better Billy bunker liners progressed rapidly. Next week, the polymer bonding material for the Better Billy bunker liners will be sprayed on the gravel layer in bunkers on the first 7 holes being prepared for planting. Shaping work also began this week on fairway bunkers at number 11 and 12 and greenside bunkers at number 15, 16, and 17. Phrase mowing to remove dead grass from fairways and roughs continued this week on holes number 7, 14, 15, and 16. The rich soil being removed by the phrase mowing is being mixed in with the sand removed from bunkers and the greens mix removed from greens, making this soil mixture ideal for filling depressions and low spots in fairways and roughs. This mixture will also be used to add a few additional mounds in out-of-play areas and to cover some exposed tree roots in roughs. Even though most of our construction efforts next week will be focused on preparing the first 7 holes for planting, preparations for preparing the next 6 holes are well underway, assuring that the only delays we may encounter will be weather-related. Fortunately, after the first month of construction, we are right on schedule.